Hey there, future garden geniuses. Ever wondered how to make gardening easier and smarter? Today we're diving into cool tech to take your garden to the next level. Automatic watering, grow lights, smart soil testers, high-tech composting, and apps to plan your garden. Get ready for a high-tech, hassle-free garden. Let's jump in. First up, automatic watering systems. Think of this like a super smart sprinkler that waters your plants just when they need it. No more forgetting to water your garden or drowning your plants. These systems come with timers and sensors. Set it up and it knows when your plants are thirsty. It keeps your garden alive even when you're away. Next, we have grow lights. Perfect for when you don't have a lot of sunlight. Maybe you live in an apartment or it's winter. These lights help your plants grow strong and healthy. They come in all shapes and sizes. Now, let's talk about smart soil testers. These devices are like doctors for your soil. They check moisture, temperature, and pH levels. This info helps you care for your plants. Some send data to your phone. Healthy soil equals happy plants. Here's something fun. High-tech composting. This is composting with a twist. These smart composters break down food scraps fast without the smell. Some even turn the compost for you. Pro tip, chop your scraps into smaller pieces. And finally, we've got gardening apps. These apps are like your personal garden assistant. They help you plan your garden, remind you when to water, and choose the best plants for your climate. All right, now that you know all about these amazing tools, let's think about how they all work together. Imagine this. You've got an automatic watering system keeping your plants hydrated, grow lights helping them shine, smart soil testers checking everything's perfect, and a high-tech composter turning your waste into food for your plants. Plus, you've got apps on your phone to help you keep track of it all. And here's the best part. All these gadgets make your garden easier to take care of so you can spend more time enjoying the beautiful fruits of your labor. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more gardening tips. Check out more videos on our channel and start growing smarter today. Happy gardening.